Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is press and hold your power button. Now from here press and hold this power off icon again and then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode, and the restart is complete if I unlock my device. And now you can see in my phone safe mode is enabled. Now if you want to disable safe mode, you have to swipe from top to bottom. Now here you can see tap here to turn off safe mode option. Now just tap here to disable safe mode, then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode, and after restart in my phone safe mode is disabled. Now you have to swipe from top to bottom again and turn off flight mode from here, and it's done. And that is how you can turn on or turn off safe mode on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.